What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol NVDA for NVIDIA Corp. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly here on the channel. The main thing I want to point out is that although we did print that bullish structure from yesterday, notice that we just have an inside bar on today's session, really just indicating indecision, pause, patience, right? All of those words sort of come to mind here. The other thing I would point out is that, sure, we didn't form a new lower low, but we also didn't form a new higher high. So to me, it's not bullish either, just the fact that we're holding here. Don't forget that value is still significantly lower from where we were just a few months ago, a couple of weeks ago even. So all of that being said, that's what I'm seeing on the daily. Sure, we are respecting that 200 SMA. Again, I just don't think we're out of the woods yet here inside of NVIDIA until, well, to be quite frank with you, it's back up above this level, as we've pointed out, right? Around 270, 225. That's very far overhead. Now, sure, there are some intermediate targets in between. We have this 250, which we discussed yesterday, but one step at a time. Let's take a closer look at the 30-minute intraday time frame just to see what else we can learn about the price action here. Again, very just muted, neutral consolidation day. I think there's a number of things going on here. A lot of these mega cap companies are waiting in anticipation of, one, not only what Jerome Powell has to say at 2 p.m. tomorrow, but number two would also be like the big earnings that are coming out, right? Microsoft is going to kick us off today. That's MSFT. Sorry for the drawing there. So Microsoft's kicking us off today, and maybe NVIDIA sort of moves in sympathy to that, being part of the big tech giants, right? So that's, in my estimation, why we're getting this sideways action without firm trend. I think the market's holding its breath for a little bit more information. That is going to make things a little bit more easy to play, though, because if we remove this level, which was coming from yesterday, right, and we just start thinking about where the balance area is, it's this level that's going to act as your gatekeeper rather, to the downside, and it's probably just a move back up and over the high of the outside bar. Today was inside, right? The prior day was the outside bar here at 233.32. So because of that, I would just, expect noise in this area in here. Sure, there's going to be some day trade opportunities. Don't get me wrong. Longs off the bottom, looking for a move to the top. Shorts off the top, looking for a move to the bottom. That's fine if the market context sort of dictates that that's a likely scenario. So a flat S&P marketplace, choppy internals, all of that stuff that we would look for to signal chop. That's definitely playable there for day trades. But from an overwhelming perspective, in NVIDIA, we're not really going to get a directional move until we break out of this box. And again, I get it. There's a large range in here. We're talking 219.50 all the way up to 233.32. I mean, there's plenty of deltas to pick up back and forth. But from a directional standpoint, from a trend standpoint, we're not really going to get anything going until we're up and over the highs or down and out underneath the lows. I would say, again, based on everything we pointed out from the daily, the fact that we're just consolidating in a neutral area here, lower inside of the prior day's range, it has to strike me as just being a little bit more bearish than bullish, just the fact that we were not able to make a new high on today's session. So that's what I've got for you inside of NVIDIA. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.